648. We're 737, so I move it over about 90 thousandths.
Do you charge extra for coming out here barefoot?
Okay, so this is what we had, 738. So if you zero that, we're moving over 86 thousandths. That should center the rotor off the caliper pretty good, but it might go too far also, we don't know. Put that in there. Go ahead and pull that axle out. Okay, where's that half-inch spacer we have over here? This should be 470. Oh. No, this one's half-inch. Okay, is half-inch going to be too much or not enough?
Ooh, it looked just right.
Yeah, it's a little loose. Could be bigger. How big is this one? 1014. Okay, so if you put that on the inside, then this here slips in real easy, see? So you don't have to fight it. Sitting on that edge of that frame there.
No.
Get a little tap. Okay, now you go through the spacer, keep going. Okay, any more. Center it up, push it through, out of the way. Okay, now we still got that much clearance, which we're not supposed to have. Now, see what our brake pads are over on this side. Brake pad. The wheel is now centered in the brake pads over there. So that's a big plus. Okay, so that was a... Did we do a half-inch over there or a 470? I forget.
You put a half-inch on this side.
Yeah, I think that's a 470 actually. I don't think I have any more half-inch ones.
Boy, hell, boy. You gonna be looking real soon. You said I'm done eating after 6. Yeah. You feel a little bit more energized?
Hell yeah, for sure.
Let's pull this out a little bit.
Oh my Lord. God damn.
That's good.
Golly.
Yeah, it's not coming all the way out.
Rock Waller. I just seen a rock waller.
This is a 5/8 we got over here.
Come on, man. You see Tatro going
50.
and walking past my
Can't change that.
Where that come from?
Huh?
Where did that one come from? Where though?
I'm not telling you. God brought it right here.
Everything was stacked.
See a little thin washer, I don't like using those. And I don't think that'll fit anyway. Okay.
There it goes.
There it goes.
And we still got all that clearance I don't like in here. Let's do your about 50 thou. We need 50 thou more over here to be correct. You could squeeze the swing arm that much, but I don't like doing that. Use an option. Okay, so
Just put one of your long ones in there.
I've got all the long ones in there right now. Okay, now I'm gonna do another eyeball check here.
So you telling me this won't work?
Wheels cocked. It won't
What
work
is
the
that?
way it is. I'd have to cut it down.
That's wrong.
What about this?
That doesn't work.
Huh?
I would just say tighten it up the way. Just leave it like that.
Hell no.
Yeah, I think we're close on the sprocket.
Because if we tighten it up, bro, that's going to offset the sprocket.
I think we're close, but I can't tell for sure on the top of this. Okay, go ahead and push it up to the chain up here. On the sprocket.
We don't speak English.
You know, yeah.
Oh, that was smart, Tatro.
I'm trying to. Here, pick that up. I can't do both. I'm not double jointed. Yeah, it looks like it fits in there.
Hey!
Okay.
Getting over there.
It's halfway close until it fell.
I know that we notice that. You know, I do people in
Okay, master link, what, number 3 now for this bike?
Yeah.
I'm going through them. It's only the first one for me, though.
Are you going to lube them before you put it in the hole?
She's going in dry.
Ooh. That's going to hurt.
Not me.
Huh?
There.
Not you?
That's as far as we're going to go for this mock-up.
And then the chain starts to stretch.
The sun has to come back, which is good because it needs to. So when it comes all the way back, we're probably pretty close to straight. Alright. What I don't like is the fact that we're squeezing the swing on it a little bit. I don't like.
going on.
Alright, any push on it over there?
Yeah, it's off.
Okay. Zigzagging.
Huh?
Chain's got a big zigzags in it. So the wheel needs to still cocked to the right now. The wheel. So the problem we have right now is this is all the way forward. It's bottomed out in the swing arm. This is all the way back right now because that's where the chain tension is right now. It's got clearance on it. So when you look under the chain down there, you can see the chain doing a zag like that. You also look at this wheel right now. If you look down both sides of this tire right now to where it's straight, the wheel's pointing to the right now. You look on this side of the wheel, you do the same and come back into your flush, you can see it's pointing to the right. So right now the wheel's on the bike like this, it needs to be put straight. When this comes straight, this chain will center up on us. Right now the chain is doing a big zoo like this, all up, big ass shape. So, when you go in here and grind the piss out of the swing arm on this side, we need to take out probably a 1/16 of an inch out of that frame right there to get this wheel where it sits straight. Now this here, I tied it up until it got tight, so I had to squeeze the swing arm a little bit, which I don't really like doing, but you're not going to kill it by doing it that little amount, but it's something you want to be in a habit of doing. I'm not exactly sure where the sprocket is right now, centered to everything else, but it's, until we get the wheel more straight, we can't see where this offset needs to be different than what it is. So now you're going to take it all apart and do some grinding. Oh boy.
When you start
So here's our
stretching that
wax,
chain,
so we got it all done for now, but you can see how the rear chain now is pretty straight right now, so the offset sprocket's fine. The wheel's still pointing to the right now. We've been grinding out the front over here, making room. I had to clearance this out for clearance on that, but it needs to go forward probably another 1/80th or 1/16th at least. So we're going to work on that later, but for now, that's it for the night of this one.